Hello, MVP. As we start our competitions, there have been many conversations between coaches and swimmers of, what's if I, am I too slow? I'm not as good as I want to be. That swim was bad. It was terrible. But as coaches, what is it that we are looking for, and how do we go, hey, that swim was great. You are improving. Trying to keep our swimmers positive and moving forward in that champion mindset going forward here. So I kind of created a little chart to help visualize this. On the far side, this dot right here, if you compare whatever meet we are currently swimming in to the same meet or weekend from the previous year, you are slower than that meet. Now, there could be a couple things going on here that could justify that. We've changed techniques. We're asking the kids to do something new that they're not used to, like more dolphin kicks underwater, a different breathing pattern. Maybe we just increased all of our training or have really increased our dry land training. So they might be a little sore, a little tired, causing them to swim out here. This line, the left side of the box, is basically whatever time you were a year ago in correlation to where we are now. So we're looking at this season being short course yards, or the length of our pool. In the summer, it's typically long course meters, which is our Olympic size pool. And then all the way over here on the right side, we have our best time in short course yards or long course meters. So what is that best time right here? Where were we 1 year ago? And then on the very far right hand side, we have our goal time. So where is it that we want to be at the end of the year? And what does that max effort best time look like? So when we're looking at this and we're talking to the swimmers, the ideal place to be is in this gold square here in the middle. So you are faster than you were a year ago, but you're right, you may not be going a best time, but you're right at it. So somewhere in this gold, we know, hey, I've improved. I've gotten better from a year ago, but there's still a few things I need to improve on to make sure I get to my best time. So again, this is the ideal place to be. This is where every meet we should be looking at the swimmers to be. Then the last thing I hear a lot of is conversion times, especially at the beginning of the year. Please do not compare your swimmer's converted time to the time that they go in the meets. The conversion is saying, hey, based on this math equation, this is what we think you should go. But that math equation doesn't take into consideration the type of work we're doing in practice, how early or late in the season it is. Are you better at your underwaters? So if you have better underwaters and better turns, you're going to be faster in short course yards versus long course meters. So it doesn't take into consideration your swimmer, how they swim, how we've been training, what's been going on. And it's essentially, the best way I can put it is like comparing apples to oranges. It's not super accurate. It kind of gets us in trouble because, again, we go, man, that's terrible. My converted time is this. Well, no, let's go back to this gold square. Are we faster than we were last year? And are we getting closer to our best time or even going a best time? So please, when you're talking with your kids, think about this chart, talk to them about it, and just remind them that as long as they're in the gold, we are improving, we're doing all the work we should, and they are awesome.